Hello students, today we will continue our same topic, that is exercise 14.3 of class 10. In this exercise we are doing the questions of median. So let's start our topic. This is our data question number 2 of exercise 14.3. In this question you have to find out value of x and y, and one extra term is given in this question, that is median. Median is given in this question, but you have to follow the same method to find the value of x and y. So first of all, write the formula of median, that is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F in a bracket and multiply by H. And first of all you have to make a new column, that is CF, that is cumulative frequency. Let's start to obtain the column CF. First of all, write the first term as it is. After that, add the terms of frequency in a systematic way. Next term will be 5 plus x. Next term 5 plus x plus 20. It will be equal to 25 plus x. Next term 25 plus 15. That will be equal to 40 plus x. Next term 40 plus x plus y. And the last will be 45 plus x plus 1. So let's start to put the value in a median, formula of median. First of all, find out value of n by 2. N is here frequency, total of frequency, that is 60. So it will be equal to 60 by 2, that is 30. Now check out in the CF in which row it will lie, but we can't find out in which row it will be lie because we have no accurate value. It is 5 plus x, it is 25 plus x. So we can't say in which row it will be lie. So just drop this method. What will we do here? Value of median is given, that is 25.5. We will take help of this value. Now check it out in which class interval it will lie. In which class interval it will lie. So 28.5 will lie in this column. In this class interval, that is 20 to 30. So this will be our median class. Median class is 20 to 30. So we can say value of L is 20 and value of F, that is also 20, and value of CF is preceding term of 20, that is 5 plus x. Now put all the value in this formula. Value of L is 20 plus n by 2, this is 30, minus CF is 5 plus x. So we will write here 5 minus x because in outside we have a sign of negative. So in bracket sign will be changed. Value of F, that is 20. Value of H, height, that is 10. But in the left hand side we write here median. But we have value of median also in this question, that is 28.5. So we have to write this value also in this formula. Now just do the calculation. Negative the terms, subtract the terms. 25 minus x, we can cancel out this term, then we get this one. After this constant term, we can transpose this in the right hand side. Then we have 25 minus x divided by 2. Subtract the terms, then we have 8.5. And in the right hand side, 8.5, and in the right hand side we have 20 25 minus x divided by 2. Now just do the cross multiply. Then we get here, when we multiply 8.5 by 2, then we get 17. 25 minus x. From this we can easily find out value of x. It will be equal to 8. So this is our value of x. And the remaining term is y. We have to find out value of y also. Now check out how can we find out one term also here, that in the CF column, last term will be equal to total addition of f. That means 45 plus x plus y must be equal to 60. Last term of CF have to be equal to addition of frequency, that is 60. That means both of the term must be same. So we can write that it like this. In this term we can put here value of x, that is 8. And from this calculation we can easily find out value of y. Then y will be equal to 60 minus 53. So this is our value of x and y. Now let's do one more question. In next question also we have to find out median. To find a median we have just one formula. Statement is weight of some students is given. Weight of some students is given, that is equal to 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, then up to 70, then up to 75. And number of students is given 2, 3, 8, 6, 6, 3, 2. And total number of students is also given. This is equal to 30. So first of all, we have to obtain here next column, that will be CF cumulative frequency. So first number will be same. After this add the terms 5, then 8 plus 5. This is equal to 13. Then 13 plus 6, 19. Then 25. Then 28. And in the last we have 30. Last term of CF is equal to total number of students. That means both of the term are equal to 30. That means our addition is accurate. Next, write down the formula of median. This is equal to now just start the formula by find out the value of n. N is 30. So 30 by 2, which will be equal to 50. Now find out in the column of CF in which row it will lie. As we can see that this n up to 13. So 15 lie in 19. So this is our main row, 50 to 60. This is our median class because 15 lie in this term. So this is our median class. So value of L is 55, F is 6, CF. CF is the one preceding term of our median class. This is equal to 30. Now put all the value in the formula. L is 55 plus in a bracket 15 minus CF 13 divided by F. This is 6 and multiply by H. H is the height of class interval, which is 5. Now do the solution. 15 minus 3, 2, 5. We can cancel out the term. 55 plus 5 by 3. So 55 plus 5 by 3, it will be equal to 1.6. So we can add 55 plus 6, approximate. This is our final answer.